Getting an ensemble to perform in a legato style is as difficult, if not more difficult, than getting them to perform staccato. Here are some strategies.
Back to the beginning, there's no articulation on this, right? It's completely just, can we try slurring it once? Let's see if we can get as much of a legato sound as we can. Just try to slur every note, take breaths at appropriate points. Fight the pitch on the F. Let's try it one more time, and now when we take the tongue away, we lose the sense of, well, good rhythm. Can you get the same good rhythm as if you're tonguing it, except we just have absolute connection between notes? So that had better legato, but we had blah, blee, blah, blah. Let's get the bleebs and the blobs out of it, and just a da without that sound. Tune again after we get a little more warmed up to see if we can find that F. Good. Can we now take the slurs away, but can you make it sound as if just as you just played it? So a completely legato, and all the tongue does is just define very slightly where the beginning of the note is, but doesn't create any interruption of sound. Very beginning. If you know that high F is out of tune, perhaps bring it down so we can settle that in. Good. One more time. The half notes just lose a little bit of energy on them. So we get a little bit of da, 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 da. Let it be absolutely flatlined, or, you know what I mean, not flatlined, but completely connected from half note to quarter to eighth. One more time, beginning. We'll go on this time.